Hi everyone, thank you for joining. Today we will be working through a grade 12 problem which is worth 6 marks. They require us to simplify this trigonometric expression into a single trigonometric term. Before we begin, let us pull out the data sheet. You guys are lucky to receive such detailed information. So in the numerator, we've got half sine 2x. Let us write that down here. Half sine 2x is equal to half, open brackets, 2 sine x multiplied by cos x. We further simplify, we get sine x multiplied by cos x. Let us now look at tan 540 plus x. So we've got tan 540 plus x, which is equal to tan x. Why is this the case? Let us draw the Cartesian plane. Right? Let us take any value of x. Let's say 50. Right? So this angle is 50, and tan of 50 is equal to the opposite all over the adjacent, right? Opposite, adjacent. Now what if we add 540 to it, right? The angle moves 360 and then it moves 180. That's 540. 540 plus 50 is there. So that's 50 degrees. Now we've got our opposite, negative. We've got our adjacent, which is also negative. And we end up with minus O all over minus A, which is equal to O all over A. So the final answers are the same. Therefore, we conclude that tan 540x is equal to tan x. Let us move on with the next expression. This one seems a bit tricky at first. Let us see. So we've got 1 all over cos squared x minus tan squared x, which is equal to 1 all over cos squared x minus sine squared x all over cos squared x. Just very quickly, remember that tan x is equal to sine x all over cos x. That's your trigonometric relationship there. Let us further simplify this. We've got 1 minus sine squared x all over cos squared x. Now in the numerator, we have to remember the following equation. Sine squared x is sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. If we make cos squared x the subject of the formula, we have 1 minus sine squared x. Now this is essentially the numerator, so we can substitute cos squared x in that position, which is divided by cos squared x, and this is equal to 1. Now let us substitute all our expansions into this expression. In the numerator, we've got sine x multiplied by cos x. In the denominator, we have tan x multiplied by 1. And this is equal to the root of sine x multiplied by cos x multiplied by cos x all over sine x. Let me show you what happened there. So tan x is equal to sine x all over cos x. When we divide, we invert the numerator with the denominator, or we swap them around, right? Now sin x all over sin x is 1, cos x multiplied by cos x is cos squared x. I'm sure you can see where this is going, and the final answer is cos x. And that's it. So for 6 marks, I would say it's worth it. And that's it. So please subscribe, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.